Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I talk about Sol USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. Right, guys. Maybe this is not an altcoin season. Maybe it's just an Ethereum season, because like you can see, this one BTC dominance soon will break it down the 60%, and Ethereum not so far from the all-time high, and Solana not perform. Pretty good one if we compare with Ethereum and Ethereum ecosystem. Yes, the money will inflow firstly in Ethereum now because the big guys institutional now buying the Ethereum. After that, of course, we will see, I'm more than sure we will see, they will approve the Solana ETF, some big guys, who accumulated here, Sol ETF spot, I think, will be approved around $373 around this block, around 373, 400. At this block, yes, everybody talk about it to the moon. Maybe we're gonna hit even the 558, and this is gonna be total madness every year, because you will see that just millions posts about Sol to 1,000. This will be like attractive number, the same story like around here. They show us the BTC 200K in 2021. So absolutely will be the same story. So 337, 73, it's not enough. 500, it's not enough. And we will break the 500, for example. And everybody talk about it. No, it's not. It's not enough. Higher. Some ETFs will be approved. Right, definitely, more than sure this year or the spring 2026. Sorry. Now, like you can see, if we compare the Ethereum, and Sol, Ethereum around here. Yes, of course, Solana already had the new all-time high in January 2025, but it was like the meme coins madness with the pump fund, with all of that stuff. Now, Ethereum without the meme coins hype, right? Just pump straight forward to an all-time high soon. We'll break it with correction or without in August or in September. That's why, personally, for me, Ethereum still overplayed Sol, and Sol drive now by Seeker Solana phone. So they start deliver, and I think it's a really great marketing campaign. I love the Sol start produce, also some physical stuff, and I hope I will wait my I'm still waiting my phone, so double check what a phone is, and I hope it's not like basic Android like it was with the Jumbo phone. So basically the Jumbo phone and the Oyster deliver like just basic Xiaomi or Redmi or I don't know, something by default from the factory, right? So let's be honest, no hate to that phones, right? But I hope the Sol phone will be something unique, and it will be the one big step for mass adoption in real world with the dApp store, decentralized stores on Sol. This is will be great move for Sol, and I hope that a lot of dApps join to create some useful dApps. So, and it's great for marketing, and it's great for price action. So this one, take profit line, it's 207. It's take profit on the weekly time frame. Exit line around, so yes, the lines go higher. Exit line is 233, so it's good one. And of course, when the BTC dominance will be under 55%, I'm more than sure we'll be here and sweep this high. So something like this one, can be in the next few months. I'm more than sure the October and November will be so bullish, with a lot of even mind-blowing the article in the media, and everybody's screaming we're going to the moon. So just be ready emotionally, fix some profit if you accumulate it around here or around here or around here. So just be ready, because sometimes it's hard to press sell. Yes. Now we trade in the range between the 189, 167. So just in these two FIB levels. This FIB we tracked since 2023, basically, or even earlier around the FTX collapse, I guess, here, this one. So accumulate SOL or not, now it's up to you. I'm not accumulate SOL, because it's, for example, like 100% profit or 200% profit. It's not what I'm looking for from the SOL. Time to buy was here. Now all eyes on some the futures positions. So here, take profit line, it's 216. Exit line on the daily, it's 244. This one, buy line on the daily, it's 109. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low soon in the next few months, even in September. That's why it would be good to see something like this move, hold the line and go higher. So this is some interior price action for SOL. Take profit 222 on 12 time frame. Like you can see, the exit line goes straight forward to the previous all-time high, 250. So yes, we can consolidate, some time periods, build some triangle, here and go higher. Anyway, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the buy line again, like 112. I don't think so. It will be pretty tough. Take a look, guys, on the weekly time frame, ADZ direction. We are, yes, in distribution zone, but I think we will form the biggest divergence on the weekly. So the high in November 74, when we sweep the all-time high, it can be, something like this one. Something like this, what we form basically usually on SOL. It's hard to say about timing, guys, but it can be this top or a higher, 558, and will be the biggest divergence ever on weekly time frame. Soon we need to see the sell zone and some signals. Now no signal to sell, nothing, so we just a little bit over the middle line. Monthly time frame also would like to see the biggest divergence on the monthly chart. Distribution, we need to hit the new all-time high distribution, new all-time high, and going down. So something like this one, maybe 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the point, or 1, 2, and 3. So it's hard to say. So 373, it's more than real to see the like a top of the top for SOL, but I think we will go higher. ADC on a daily, yes, still just in the middle. That's why we get a room for pump, for continuation. Solana meme coins madness with the pump fund basically ended. Pump fund released their own token, and I think now people not so focused on SOL, buying SOL to trade a meme coins on a pump fund. Maybe the pump fund even do some new feature, right, for their own platform to bring more attention to the pump token. Take a look at the market mood now on the daily is here. Let's check. This was a drop. Now it's a positive. Weekly time frame is good, and take a look how the sentiment changed. So this was a in January. This is a capitulation. Now it's just a hope, positive on the market. Monthly time frame from the a market a little bit come down. So this is like a hope and optimism. Money power. Monthly time frame, guys. Here, money outflow. This is every side bearish divergence. Now we tested the middle line. That's why I don't think so. We will see something like this one. Of course not. Of course not. Is it possible? Yes, but it means the cycle should be extended in time till, I don't know, till middle of 2026. I don't think so. We will see something like this one. That's why I wish to see the pump again, new all-time high, money outflow, and drop to the bear market. So around 42 at 25, 75, it will be the bottom for SOL on next cycle. Trade on, sell on the monthly. Now nothing. Here's a sell, drop, buy back. Nothing bullish, crazy bullish on weekly. Daily buy signal being here. Take profit, sell, drop, buy back, sell, buy back. So I don't see any, like crazy buy signal, but at least we can see some sideways here, because the main signal was in February. Likely we will see some sideways in the next few months between like 189, 167. this range and new all-time high around October, November this year. If you would like to trade with my customer, like I said, what showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.